there everyone, it's Michelle Hall from San Diego, California. I'm popping on today just to share with you a little bit about how I utilize the weekly joy meetings. There's a couple of ways. First off, I have invited people that I know, acquaintances or people that I've met, to have a facial that same day as the joy meeting, about an hour before it starts. Then at the end of our facial, after they've tried the products and they've really enjoyed it and looked through the book to see the prices, we hop onto the joy meeting and we listen to the testimonies together. Immediately following that, I get to say, what do you think? Do you want to join our team? In which case they often say yes. One of the other ways that I use this weekly joy meeting is for the Facebook ad responses. Sometimes they're interested in product, sometimes they're interested in opportunity. I always invite them to the weekly joy meeting. At that time, when they tell me they will, I go ahead and set a reminder for them for the day before and say, hey, don't forget, tomorrow's the joy meeting, can't wait to see you. Then the next day, I remind them an hour before the meeting and then again at 15 minutes ahead. Once I jump on and I see they're on there, I message and I say, hey, it's so good to see you. I can't wait to talk to you after the meeting to get your opinion. Then when the meeting ends, I go ahead and call them and they tell me what they think. And oftentimes they join our team. I'm so thankful to JAFRA that they have these weekly joy meetings, and I hope that you're using them to your advantage. Of course, sometimes people can't pop on, right? So at that time, if they can't pop on because they forgot or they got it to work, then I say, hey, what if I sent you the link so you can watch it over? They like that a lot. Anyways, I hope this helps you. Have a great day. Bye.